Welcome guys. In this video I'll be teaching you how to add your business to Google Map using your cell phone. So before you begin, you must have the Google Map application on your phone. So now I want to add my office to the map. So now I'm just going to turn on my location. I'll turn on my GPS. Make sure your GPS is on. You can see that. You turn it on. And then we click on our location. You can see that I'm in my office now. You can see that. So I want to add this office. Click on the satellite view to get the view. Make sure this looks exactly like the building. So here is my office. Now I want to add this place to Google Map. So now in order to do that, after clicking on that, now we're going to click Add Business. Click on the Add Business to Map for free. This will pop up. Now it's going to bring a form for you. So hold on. Here we have start building your business profile. Now you input your business name. For me, my office is FCTA Transport Secretariat. So I'm just going to type that. If your business is, I don't know the name of your business, whatever it is, just type your business name there. And then you add your business category. It might be a farm, it might be a salon, whatever it is. So I'm just going to add my, let's say, transportation service. I prefer the transportation service. So click on next. Wait for it to load. Now, do you want to add location customer can visit? If you want the customer to visit that place, check the yes and click on the next. But if you don't want them to visit the place, you can click no. So now we're going to be entering the business address. So now I'm in Nigeria. I'm going to be adding the street address, which is FCTA Transport Secretariat. The local government should be Edo or City Abuja, and the state is FCT. So you can leave the postal code blank. Click on next. Now, is this your business? There's a business that looks like my business, so and it is not. So I check on this is not mine. So we've already pinned our address. So just click on next. Do you provide delivery on visit? Yes. Add area of service. You can just next that. What contact details you want to show, you can skip that. If you want your phone number to show, you can input your phone number or your website there. But for now, I'm just going to skip that. Yeah, you just click on next. Now we're going to add our business hour. We open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. So if your work is Sunday, you can click on that and add Sunday to yours and Saturday. So this is just Monday to Friday, which is 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. So if yours is 9 p.m. to 9 a.m. to 10 p.m., you can just add yours. So I'm just going to be adding mine because in my office we open by 8 and close by 4. This would notify the person that search for your business that on Saturday and Sunday you're closed, and when they search for your business around 5 p.m. it will notify them that you're closed, and when you search around 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. it will tell them you are at the office. So now when you're done, click on next. So here we're just gonna add a business description. I will update that later. I'm just gonna be adding Federal Capital Territory Administration, Transport Secretariat. I'm just gonna be adding that. You should add your business description as well. If you have a business description, you can just keep, but I will advise you to add a business description. Okay, I'm done with this, so I'm just going to click on the next. Wait for that. Here to add our photo, the business photo, but I don't have any photo with me, so I'm just going to skip. Yeah, skip that. Your edit will be visible once you're verified, so you can see our business. You can see that FCTA Transport Secretariat. You can see the address. Our business is not yet verified, so it won't be visible by others. You can only see this for now. It's going to take at least an hour for it to be visible. You can see that it's not yet, there's no name on that location yet. So once it's verified, we're going to have our address on that pin. So if you want to update your business, you can click on the edit and click on the edit. Wait for it to load. You can see that on the edit profile we can edit our business information. If you have anything you want to edit, the phone number, the website, the social profile, whatever you want to edit, you can add your Facebook or Instagram here. You see that? You can add your TikTok. So when they Google your business, they see your handle, they see your account, they can just go to that. You can also edit the business hour and also add more service. You can as well add photos. I don't have any photo to add for now, so I'm going to cancel there. You can also add the logo. When you click on the logo there, or cover photo. I don't want to add any photo yet. You see, I just received a mail. You're going to receive a mail from Google. You're going to receive this kind of mail. Showing you how your business would look like. You can see that. So now let's click on the view map and let's use the Google map. You see that takes us to the business. When you receive that mail, you then wait for some hours. That shows that they've received your request. So after some hours, go to your Google Map and search for your business. I'm just going to search for FCTA Transport Secretariat, which I added. Just click on there. You can see now. You see that? Now we have our address on the pin. So now let's use the satellite view. Now you see, now I have FCTA Transport Secretariat on the same, on that pin. Don't forget, I hope you remember the pin. You can see that? So the office has been added to Google Map. So that's simply how to add your business to Google Map. So let's go to Google. Let's go to Google Chrome and also search for the office. Yeah, now our business is now visible. You can see it's closed. You can see that now. When you click on direction, let's turn on the location. And click on direction, you can see that FCTA Transport Secretariat. So from anywhere in FCT, you can just find this. This will give you direction to the office.